This
Yes, sir.
conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Sir, shall I start?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
Shamir and Ishwar Prasad, please update your change your username into roll number.
So today we discuss about the string problems. First, we will see the reverse of the string. Already you know, but we will see the reverse of the string. First, read the string or initialize the string. So str equals to this is a string. This is a string. It will be reverse of the string means str of colon -1 is the reverse of the string. So we'll see that one. And so first of all, we you know the Jupyter notebook. You will know on it, so we'll see it. I'll see. First, use the how to install the Jupyter notebook. We'll see the how to install Jupyter notebook. How to install Jupyter notebook in Python. So first of all, you will go to the command prompt cmd. It's now I am in the desktop Python. Today's class 19th, okay, 19/6/2020. On that, I will use to create the Jupyter notebook. Pip, write down pip install space Jupyter GUY Jupyter GUPYTER. Enter. I'm already installed, that's why it comes like this. And then we will open the Jupyter notebook. You will use the Jupyter 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 space notebook. These two commands you will use to opening for Jupyter notebook by using this command Jupyter space notebook. You will install the Jupyter notebook. Pip space install space Jupyter. This is the command. You will enter it. Automatically install the Jupyter notebook in your path setting. So install the path setting properly. On that situation only it will write properly, installed properly. Otherwise it will not install. So then you will open Jupyter space notebook. Enter that Jupyter space notebook. It will take a few minutes time. It will opens the Jupyter Notebook. And then here here one button is there, new. Click on new. Use the Python 3 software. I will use the Python 3. It will open the Jupyter Notebook. And next, it's first write the code. Also, program is str. This is the code. It will return. So, and will say I will use the code. Control V. And I will run this code. Here the run button is there. So it will reverse of this. It will reverse of the string. Now we will see the reverse number of the reverse number by using strings. How we will write the reverse number by using? This is the markdown code. It's now we will use to the code. Click on this and code. How to design this reverse number? For suppose we will use to the input as input is 123 and the output will be is 321. Okay, this is the one case. And another case, you will use the per suppose hash input is minus 123 and the output should be minus 321. How will you design this one? First, you will write the reverse number. It's automatically it comes. It converts read the input value and convert it into string. It automatically reverses this type and convert it into integer type. It automatically converts like this. But how it comes to the minus? So we'll see here. So first read the number by using an integer value. N equals to int of input of enter a number or n, then also converted into the integer, converted into it's already an integer, it will be converted into string. So how will you convert the string as an integer? So first you will convert it into absolute value, then you will convert it into string. First we will convert it into absolute value. S equals to ABS of n. So first we will see, we will run this code and then we will observe that observed here. I will pass the I will pass the minus 123. Will happen here.
Sir, keep it in code, sir.
Huh?
Keep it in code, sir.
Okay,
It is
okay,
marked out.
okay. Control enter. It will running. Its star indicates that it runs.
Sir, kernel restart చేయండి.
Kernel in Python 3 itself. One minute.
సార్ మురారి సార్
చెప్పమ్మా.
సార్ ఇది మనం ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ని అదే జూపిటర్ నోట్బుక్ ద్వారా ఇప్పుడు మీరు రన్ చేస్తుంటారు కదా సార్, బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్ కాకుండా క్రోమ్ కి డిఫాల్ట్ సెట్టింగ్స్ చేంజ్ చేసింది సార్.
క్రోమ్ సెట్టింగ్స్
క్రోమ్ కే సార్.
నేను యూజ్ చేసింది కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ మా, నాకు అంత ఐడియా లేదు క్రోమ్ కి డిఫాల్ట్ చేంజ్ చేయడం.
ఓకే సార్,
చూస్తాను నాకు ఐడియా
సార్. కాకపోతే నేను కూడా జూపిటర్ నోట్బుక్ ట్రై చేసినప్పుడు 2-3 టైమ్స్ అవుట్పుట్ అనేది రాంగ్ వచ్చింది సార్. ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్ లో
చూద్దాం.
క్లాస్ 5 అయింది, పై కన్సల్ట్ ఉంది. అదైతే ఇప్పుడే నేను కట్ చేసిన.
I will run this code. Pass minus 123. I will not print this, so I will print this here and run this code. Pass the 123 value 123. It will be converted into 123. Absolute value is 123, not a minus 123. And we'll converted this one, and then after it will be converted as a string. So we will convert it as a string str absolute value will be converted and then we'll see the s here right now. We'll see the s, or so I will pass the value minus 123. It will be converted as in a string. So here we will observe the output of 3. It will be observed it minus, it's a quotations 123. It will be string. Now we will convert it. It will be reverse of the string. You will reverse the string. You will use the condition. You will use the condition. If the string is in number is less than 0, you will be converted minus 321. In case greater than 0, it will automatically convert it into 321. You will see that one. So if n less than 0, if n less than 0, print of print of 0 minus int of 0 minus int of s of colon minus 1. So you will understand that one. So otherwise I will tell you clearly. Else colon print of int of s of colon minus 1. So we will see it and we will run this code. I will pass 123. It will be converted into minus 321. And then I will pass 134. It will be converted into 431. I'll run this code again, and 120, it will be converted into 12. Sorry, 21. Sorry, 21. Like this. So you have first I will convert it into string reverse, and then it will convert it into integer, and then 0 minus anything, that will be the minus of the string, minus something. That's why I'm using the 0 here. Okay, that is the number system. Numbers, we will use the numbering. Number system is correct. Number system, you know the number system properly, and then you will understand this. And next question is the palindrome of string palindrome. If the string palindrome or not. See the string palindrome or not. String palindrome or not. See the string palindrome or not. How to convert that string is a palindrome or not? We said first is the string n equals to int of string input of, so enter a string, it's a string will be reverse. It's a if of n equal to reverse of the particular string. For suppose if of given number is n equal to n of reverse of the string colon minus 1. If this situation is true, if this condition is true, print given string is in a palindrome. Given string is a palindrome. Palin. Or otherwise else print it's a given string is not in a palindrome. Given string is not a palindrome. I'll run this code. It's a Bob. It's a given string is a palin. Given string is a palin. Then again run this code. King. This is not a palin. We'll see that. Given string is not a palin. Like this. We'll write the palindrome program like this. And we'll see the question here. Write a program this one we'll see this one. Write a program to print every character of a string entered by using a new line using a loop. How will you write this one? First input string input, pass the input string str equals to int of input of enter a string, and then write a program to print every character of a string entered by using a new line. So the for I in str colon print every character, only will use the print str I it run a program. String is Ravi Kumar. So line by line print every character of a string entered by user, a new line, every character one by one it will print. Okay, next you will see the next question. Write a program to find the string refrigerator without using length function. Without using a length function. Write a program to find the length of the string refrigerator without using a length function. So how can you write this one as an first so I will use the str equals to quotation. So not only for the refrigerator, any string you will count so by using the input string, enter a string, enter a string, and then we'll use for count. Initially count equals to 0, count equals to 0, and then for I in str, so increase the count value 1 by 1, count equals to count plus 1, and finally we will print the count. We will run this program. So I will use they use the refrigerator means RE. Here R is not getting. Refrigerator, enter 12 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 characters are. We will use the another string. So we'll run again. It's Harish. 6 characters. So like this we can design the without using length function. Next question, let's see the next question. Write a program to check if the word orange is present in this orange juice. Copy this question and there's a markdown. So first we'll read the string, check the string. So first we will use the main string m equal to, so I will use the main equals to input of enter main string, enter a main string, substring, sub equal to input of enter substring, enter a substring, and then check, write a program to check if word orange is present in the orange juice or not. So we'll see the orange word in the present or not. It will print of sub in, and so I will use the membership function, sub in main. We'll run this code. So I will use this is orange juice is the main string, and then enter the substring. Substring is the orange. True. It will be available in the main string, so it produces the true. Next question. We will see the next question. Write a program to find the first and last occurrence of the letter. So find the first and last occurrence of the letter O and character comma in hello. So Here the hello world is separated by the comma. So split this one. This will be available. It's comma is available at the last time. Had a hello world. But the first and last occurrence O is not occurred at first. Okay. You'll see the program and then you'll write the program. First occurrence is O and the last occurrence is the comma. And starts with ends with function. Starts with and ends with function is used to design this. Suppose read the string. Enter the string. And then if of str dot starts with means 0 starts with of O and ends with str dot ends with comma. Then that string is true. Directly I will use the print, not if. Otherwise false. Print. Enter the string. Over. Comma. It is a true. Starts with a 0 and ends with comma. So both are not possible. It is not a true. For the let's run this code again. We'll pass the hello, comma. I will enter this one. False. It's any one is false, it returns the false. In case I will use the R here, it will true. It will run the code. So again I will use to run the code and hello, comma, enter. It will true. Let's say any one is true, the return true. If both cases are so here mentioned in the first and last occurrence. First occurrence is O and the last occurrence is the comma. That's why both cases are true. The result will be the true. Or here and I will use the and here. If both cases occur true, then only it will be true. So in this case, it is not true. It will be false. Okay. And next we will see the next question. So this is the question. Write a program I'll use the markup code. This is the question. First write that question and then solve the problem. So first write a program that takes your full name, input, and display the abbreviation of the first and middle name, and expect the last name, which is displayed as it is. But suppose, for example, your name is Robert Bertrosser, then the output should be RB Rosser. And so here we will use the three names, full name. So we'll read the string as a full name, and first, so must and should maintain the string length as 3. First name, middle name, and last name. Last name must be total, but first name and middle name as first character. First name as the middle character. First read the string. First read the string. First read the string str equals to input of enter a string. Next, and you will split that string. You will split that string. First you will say the s equals to str dot split that string if string length of the string is equal to 3 or not. We will check it out. If 3 only, then we will use the, so it will be splitted as it's a first name. For suppose robot, so first word is a robot comma, use the Barrett, Barrett, and the Rosser, third one is the Rosser one. So like this it will be splitted, and then first character, this is the robot of the string. We want the first character, and that first character you will use the s of 0th element of the first character. I will use like this. I will print like this: s of 0 0, s of 0 0, first element. So first we will print that one, s of print of s of 0 and 0th position element, plus here dot will be printed, and we will use to print the dot quotations. We will use the quotations, dot plus, and the second one to position is, I want the B, that's why s of 1 0th position, s1 of the 0th position, that's why s of one 0th position element plus after that the same dot symbol. That's why I use the concatenate the string dot and then plus remaining last position of the string. I want to print the last position of that string means s of 2. S of 2 will be total element will be printed. It's a s of 2 like this. I will print this one. Otherwise, else it's a string length. It's a string.
అరే అన్నయ్య
Ah,
ఒక్క నిమిషమా సారీ టు డిస్టర్బ్ యూ
okay.
ఒక్క నిమిషం స్టూడెంట్స్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్మాల్ అనౌన్స్మెంట్ సో TCS is conducting code vita mock test 1 today. From today to the link will be open to take the test from today to tomorrow itself. So regarding this, maybe we should have received one mail on 17th. In that mail, they have mentioned like link. If you click on the link directly, it takes you to take the test. That is one thing. In that mail only, they mentioned user ID and password to take the test. So kindly check your mails. Kindly check your mails and take the test today. The link will be, I think I have forwarded the same in your WhatsApp groups also. Kindly check your groups and check your mail. So kindly check and take the test. Definitely it will give you some clear picture on how the type of questions they give in that TCS code vita test. Okay, kindly take the test and see how the questions will be. Anna, hurry. కొద్దిగా వాళ్ళని మోటివేట్ చేయ టెస్ట్ తీసుకోమని. కావాలంటే క్లాస్ కూడా ఆపేస్తామని చెప్తాను, అరుణ్ కూడా చెప్తాను, క్లాస్ కూడా ఆపేస్తాము, టెస్ట్ తీసుకోమని చెప్తాను అందరిని.
ఓకే
సరే అన్న, అయితే
కంటిన్యూ చేసి చెప్తాను, ఇది అయిపోయాక చెప్తాను. ఓకే, I will run this code. It's a first the string is in a Robert Bert Rosser. First the string, first the element prints the first character R, second string have first character B, and third the entire string will be printed. So in case the string length is a less than 3 or it's not equal to 3, the string length is less than string length is not 3 or less than 3. That's why it's not a printed. It's maybe more than 3 also. No, it's a greater than 3 also. It's only it equal to 3 only. It will print it. We'll run this code. I will use this Robert Rosser, the string Robert Rosser. Enter. Oh, I will 2 is not printed. Oh, so here enter Rosser. Sorry, here I am using the small letter, that's why it prints the 0. Yes of 2 caps. I will run again. I will use to print the code. Here it RB Rosser is printed. RB Rosser is printed. This is the code. Will written like this. Okay, and we'll see the one more problem.
సార్ ప్రింట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇంకోసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్.
ప్రింట్ మా ఓకే, ఇది లెంత్ ఆఫ్ s ఈక్వల్ టు 3 నా విత్ ఇన్
ఎస్ సార్. ఇఫ్ నుంచి మొత్తం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్ ఒకసారి.
ఓకే, So actually read the string is Robert read the string is Robert Betroser. The string will be read it. I will split the string and stored into S. Splitting is like this. Actually, splitted in like this. I want the first character of the first string. That's why I used the S of 0, 0. And so it will be the multi. So that is nothing but the multi-dimensional array. Like that, it's used. S of 0 means first string. S of 0 means first string. On that string, I want the first character. That's why I use the 0th position. R will be printed. In case S of 1, so we'll see the, I will print and I will print of S of 0, 0. I will run this code. Suppose same Robert Betroser. We'll use the Robert Betroser. Yeah, so small as here. I will run the code again and Robert Betroser. First character it will comes. In case I will use the R, only S of 0 means robot is printed. So we'll run this code. Robot. Robot is printed. In case S of 1, S of 1, it will runs to the Bert. In case S of 2 means Roser will be printed. I want the character of the robot as first character and Bert as a first character. That's why I will use the 0th of 0. 0 of 0 means the first character of the first string of the first character. First string of the first character. Then I will use to dot. I want the dot in the RB roser and it is as a print. That's why I use the dot, concatenate the dot in this string. I want the dot plus again S of first character and first bet of first one and say first string of first character. That's why I'm using the S of 1, 0. Then again I want the dot. I want the dot. That's why I use the robot dot symbol. I want to concatenate the dot. Then after I want to print the entire string, entire roser. So I will use the roser means second string 0, 1, 2, second string. After that you want the dot, you will use the same as concatenating quotations dot with the dot. And you will run this one. It automatically prints RB dot roser. RB dot roser will be, sorry, I will use the capital S here. RB roser dot, it will be printed like this. Okay, this is the, are you understand? Have any doubt?
సార్ మురారి సార్
tell me.
సార్ ఇది ఒక టెస్ట్ కేస్ కి మాత్రం వ్యాలిడ్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్. ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఇంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటే అప్పుడు ఎలా చేయొచ్చు సార్?
ఇంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ అంటే
ఎస్ సార్, అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ దీని ప్రకారం అయితే స్ప్లిట్ చేసుకుంటే 3 వస్తాయి సార్, అంటే లిస్ట్ లో. అలా కాకుండా వాళ్ళు మోడిఫై చేయొచ్చు కదా సార్, అప్పుడు ఎలా చేయొచ్చు సార్ దీన్ని?
సో నీకు ఎన్ని ఫస్ట్ నేమ్, మిడిల్ నేమ్, లాస్ట్ నేమ్ మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. యూ వాంట్ మోర్, యూ విల్ యూజ్ మోర్ కేసెస్. సో
ఓకే సార్.
యూ విల్ యూజ్ ద ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ స్టేట్మెంట్. దీనికి ముందు రాసాం కదా మనం, ఎస్ ఆఫ్ 3 ఈక్వల్ టు 3 అయితే లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎస్ 3 ఈక్వల్ టు 3, then only it will be executed. Otherwise it will not execute. Like that you will design that code.
ఓకే సార్, అంటే ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ లెటర్ వాడి ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు.
One more strings you will use like that.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Also, so today conducting the TCS code vita practice purpose, some of the TCS practice test. You want to participate that one? No, want to. So compulsory participating the TCS code vita, and then only you will know how to design the code. You will practice that code as different questions I will pass to you. Next week you have conducted on the communication skills classes. After the communication we will see how to ask the questions for TCS or other companies. After completion of the communication skills, then we will start the how to write the code, etc. After completion of the data types, then only you can understand how to write the code, all those things. After we will see that different questions for a HackerRank, CodeChef, or PIRBite, or LeetCode, something. Some of the questions I will collect that one and I will explain to you. So now we will participate that TCS code vita practice test. Okay, thank you for everyone. Goodbye. Thank you. Have any doubts?